What if I told you that 7 sneaky habits are silently wrecking your health right now? I'm Dr. Berg, and I've been there, making mistakes that nearly derailed my life. Today, I'm exposing the top 7 health destroyers most doctors ignore, plus simple fixes to turn your life around. This video could save you from heart disease, diabetes, or worse. Hit that subscribe button, and let's save your health. Picture this: I was eating all the wrong foods, barely sleeping, and feeling like my body was falling apart. My joints ached, my energy tanked, and I was on a collision course with serious health issues. Sound familiar? Today, I'm revealing the 7 things that were destroying my health and might be destroying yours, plus the one game-changing food you need to know. Stick around, because this will blow your mind. Number 1 is a shocker: loneliness. It's as bad for you as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Social isolation floods your body with cortisol, the stress hormone, causing inflammation that's linked to heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, and even cancer. It even shuts down immune system genes, making you more vulnerable to viruses. Humans are social creatures, and without connection our health crumbles. The fix? Build at least 3 quality relationships that lift you up: friends, family, or a community group. Regular social hangouts are like medicine for your body. Another tip: volunteer. Helping others is incredibly therapeutic and rewires your brain for happiness. Number 2, skimping on sleep. Getting less than 5 hours a night spikes your risk of early death by 30%. It doubles or triples your chances of weight gain, food cravings, and diabetes. Plus, it ages your brain faster, leaving you foggy and forgetful. I used to burn the candle at both ends, and it was killing me. The solution? Aim for at least 7 hours of quality sleep. Create a bedtime routine: dim the lights, ditch screens an hour before bed, and try a relaxing tea like chamomile. Your body and brain will thank you with more energy and focus. Number 3, refined sugar and starches. We're talking maltodextrin, modified cornstarch, wheat flour, rice flour, hidden sugars in everything from yogurt to bread. These are driving obesity, fatty liver, and even Alzheimer's, which some call type 3 diabetes. They inflame your body and age you faster than you can imagine. The fix? Switch to a low-carb ketogenic diet. For example, a yogurt might have 19 grams of sugar. Crazy. A Pop-Tart? 39 grams of starch and sugar, plus seed oils. Hot dogs? Packed with corn syrup and modified starch. Number 4, industrial seed oils like canola, corn, and vegetable oil. These are in almost everything. Fried chips, fries, you name it. They're unstable and saturated fats that break down under heat, light, and oxygen, creating inflammation that damages your arteries and organs. Ever wonder why these oils sit on shelves without spoiling? They're processed to death, and they're slowly poisoning you. The fix? Cook with healthy fats like extra virgin olive oil, grass-fed butter, tallow, or lard. These are stable, natural, and won't inflame your body. Your heart and cells will thank you. Number 5, visceral fat, the dangerous fat around your organs. Look down at your belly. If it's sticking out, you likely have visceral fat and liver fat too. This is a major predictor of heart disease, diabetes, and a shorter life. Shockingly, even 4-year-olds are developing visceral fat today. No drug can fix this, only lifestyle changes can. The solution? Embrace intermittent fasting and a low-carb diet. Skip breakfast if you're not hungry, and aim for 2 meals a day with no snacking. Cut sugars and starches to starve that fat away. Your waistline and heart will transform. Number 6, constant eating or snacking. Even if it's not candy bars, eating all day, especially carbs, stops your body from cleaning out old, damaged cells. This process, called autophagy, is like a cellular detox that keeps you young. Chronic snacking fills your body with junky tissue, aging you faster. The fix? Only eat when you're truly hungry. For most people, 2 or 3 meals a day with no snacks is a game changer. Try intermittent fasting. Stop eating after dinner, and don't eat again until lunch. This simple habit boosts anti-aging and energy like nothing else. Number 7. 3 sneaky nutrient deficiencies: magnesium, vitamin D, and choline. First, magnesium deficiency can cause high blood pressure, heart arrhythmias, and muscle cramps. Get it from leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, or a magnesium glycinate supplement. Second, vitamin D. Up to 90% of people are deficient. Low levels increase inflammation, depression, and early death risk. Take at least 10,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily, ideally with a fatty meal for absorption. Third, choline, found in egg yolks and liver. A lack of choline causes fatty liver, memory issues, and brain fog. Aim for 550 milligrams daily through food or supplements. Fix these deficiencies, and you'll feel like a new person, sharper, stronger, and healthier. Now, here's the twist. All these fixes won't reach their full potential without the one food that supercharges your health. It's not some exotic superfood, it's eggs. Packed with choline, healthy fats, and protein, eggs are a powerhouse for your liver, brain, and energy. Pair them with leafy greens for magnesium and a side of fatty fish for vitamin D, and you've got a meal that fights all 7 health destroyers. Want my full guide to the ultimate health boosting diet? Click the link in the description. Your health is in your hands. Ditch loneliness, sleep better, cut sugar and seed oils, burn visceral fat, stop snacking, and fix nutrient deficiencies. Start today, and you'll feel unstoppable. Download my free junk food meter app and check out my ultimate health guide, links in the description. Smash that like button, share this with someone who needs it, and subscribe to my channel for more life-changing tips. Comment below, which of these 7 surprised you most? Let's get healthy together. See you in the next video.